New case them, they don't enter for inside this palaver for sick where they call them say corona for we country. The new case them they announced na this morning time. As we minister for sick people them Dr. Malauda Malashi, he talk for we. Sabi said before the other case they announced this morning time. Cameroon, he did already get 139 case inside the 139 case. Good news, now say 5 them where they be get the sick, they don't well, and 6 they don't die according to report with Dr. Malauda Malashi Gian for we go take una two, we enter for inside Boya as soon as Sabi taxi driver them, they don't call themselves a tax force. Now themselves just now, they look inside taxi them for see whether they are combi, they respect commandeer for see make now at least 4 people them the day inside taxi for town. Toritu for this afternoon, we go take una talk palava for this fire where a cash for some house for Daido and the fire to a cash for place where they call them say Gabon port for that side. So for inside Douala Seaport, no man he no be get any palava as well the fire be cash army rescue. If be there for loss 3 people or 2 people them they die this weekend. Seka palava to for accident where happen for place where they call them say Puma. We get newspaper them where the day for we before and even case for people there they don't lost. We'll go talk this afternoon. Big Patok, it the talk for we say better in a horse way it is also waka, it the breathe air. Down for say he get lion way don't die. Say a horse way it is also waka, it better pass lion way it don't already slave straight. Bison Paul Jr. Bonaberry Douala now send we Big Patok for this afternoon. At the turn back some more time. Good afternoon, plenty glad say we meet up again. Equinox Story House. We go start with palava for this sick where they call them say corona. Minister for sick people them, Dr. Malauda Malashi, it is also talk for all man. Say make it look out himself and make it look out other people them. For sick I say all man, he must today responsible. Sabi say all the commander when gomna, it already giam. Nati we all we must also continue for here and according to Dr. Malauda Malashi, now so time we be put the tweet 9:34 for morning time. This number 30 day for inside this moon. 3 other cases them they don't join out for the number we wanna be sabiam at this early morning time. So number just now inside we country it don't go now for 142. But according to a minister for sick people them, it don't talk say make we all we so continue for the time we had as we did so. Some people themselves the day where they don't already look at them so they don't well. So make man no fear. Same governor is also there on top this palaver in the proper. After all, 3 people them or some people the day where they don't already well for sick the sick. So hope a day say people them they no must to get the sick then they die. Sabi said before according to report to minister Dr. Malauda Malashi they began yesterday where it be day Sunday. Now the total number that according to it they talk for we for Sunday 66 cases the day where they be get and they be test inside this 66 26 they be get the sick. They be telling say for Yaoundé they check so take that 58 number for people them now 58 and inside the 58 where they check for Yaoundé 24 they get the sick. Sabi say inside that 58 34 of the people them now that people there they be there for inside that aeroplane for number 17 day for inside this moon where they also beg them say may they can't check their skin. So inside that number where they be there for that aeroplane 34 we get 16 where they get the sick. And Sabi said so for Bafusam they check 8 people them 2 people there the day where they get them. And before this case where it be the come before the case where it be the come yesterday on Saturday Sabi say Southwest they be get the first case where it come on for Limbe. Out of 2 people there they be check them for Limbe, 1 person he get the sick. For Boya 2 people there they check no person he no be get the sick. Before Saturday we be getting only 76 but Sabi say from 76 on Saturday he go for 113 on Sunday and today he be then 100 and Sunday evening breaking today 139. Now so he don't climb for 142. But as well the talk for country people them make one no fear make make one no fear, make una sabi self say plenty of the people there they don't bring the sick, bring them for inside we country. People there they carry enter. Now one the way they don't come off for bush, where they enter for inside we country before they one lock with border, and they so beg you where you see any man where you come off for bush, no hiding for your house, just kunkuma call 151 not, or say they can't catch them. Plenty of them they so deny for come look at their skin. So minister the try for tell we no be na who the cause the sick. It is mostly common for outside, and just for sabi say on top this palaver for a corona man no get for fear plenty, even as we will get for look out yourself. At least 5 people them they already well, so no be na palaver for fear say if you get them you no go fit for be so. Now for we for continue for respect the hygiene where they don't give we and other thing them. Now as soon as sabi one of the commandier the way they give them now for say make taxi them for inside town, they no carry plenty people them for inside boya taxi driver themselves where they don't give themselves say a tax force. Now them the day outside they control their own motor them. All their combi them where they drive taxi them for town, they look at them. Sabi self say the idea now for say make 2 people the day for back, 2 people the day for before, and one way carry plenty. Them say they stop the taxi, no be na to them. The tax force they say 2 people them for before, 2 people them for back. So you see that motor they don't break them, and even for Limbe as well the same for Mutengene. Now big man say for Ketu them office, it take it time for count the number for people there the day inside that motor as soon as the same so true the control for motor ediwaka and for inside boya na taxi people then say they do the work for Limbe or for Mutengene we see am Ketu big man say commissioner na e dey for outside. Make we hear some of these taxi people them they talk for microphone for Derek Jato.
Most of them they don't know where to go on for town, so now I just got to inform our drivers them.
We want to tell our customers for Boya municipality and the environment say any taxi way they carry 4 man, the way they want to double you for fun, no enter because coronavirus is real.
No get no right to stop. We won't give the instruction. We carry out the instructions. We know the walk around the car away. We fight against corona. Corona the one all man. Corona is a very bad disease, so we don't want them. So when we talk with driver, they say you don't see what we try to tell us. The driver they be very hasty.
But you don't carry more than 4 persons. Carry 5. So government don't carry only 4 man. So the man over already law.
Taxi drivers they get to make sure their motor be well clean. Even themselves on their dressing code, everything is all about cleanliness. And they want for place say make God where he get we all. Make God try to make sure say we see we go through.
And just for sabi say for inside Douala here, it shows say this motor the way they carry people them for town. So now they never respect commandeer for this corona. We will not sabi. We be enter for inside one of the motor them just for check whether they respect. Now only one man wanna say inside that motor even carry that to a doctor they wear for their face. He put them for cover whether na cough or even person get any sign. But that one for say make people they no overjoin the motor them where they carry people them ton for inside town they know them. Even water where if use and wash your hand or say that white man medicine white man water where they call them say hand sanitizer you know they for inside the motor them where they carry people them for town and see small the motor the flop space you know even the way they don't leave them. All people there they enter inside the motor, the BP motor there they turn for town. The show say they know the respect. Commander when gum nam. Egiam so na palava for all man for shine eye. Make we know the divide the sick. Make we try for look out for say me the sick. It come out inside we country. Lagos, Nigeria, we go land for day. Now for on top place where they did not damba, where governor for Lagos State, he don't go build his own tent. Now big house where they don't build am for day. Now for here where they go send any man where they cash and where he get this sick, where they call am say corona. Now for some damba file, no be na self say na some hotel where they don't go buy first the hotel people them put people them for inside. Now for field, all that one they so na bed and cupboard where they don't fix am for some field for that side for Lagos. The one nothing we plenty people them say they don't talk say even we own country money day where they find one of the field them fix them. You look for inside na bed and that way they don't put them. All bed they get their cupboard for say any sigma way come they go just put it for day. No be na say they go first bine people them say me they no use their hotel put people them for inside that kind of thing. So they beg people them make we come now make we even try for copy better example like thing where we see them for we own neighbor country where they call them say Lagos. Now for on top top field where they don't build the one. You know, go sabi self say na for field be that, but na place where they don't build them for now. For say me they look out all people them where them go come with that sick for corona for inside Lagos. As we see they never drive any person come out for hotel, but now for say make people them they fine. Now think that we see for that side, so for inside Lagos. One of we own big brother with papa where he died for sick Manu Dibango now inside this weekend too where they be buried for Emmanuel Macron country. Sabi say for sick say plenty people they no get for come out. Now only Pikin and even pastor they become for camp prayer as we they put Manu Dibango for 6 feet for inside Emmanuel Macron country. This one it be passed inside the weekend. We go left chapter for corona, but just for sabi say we also get for continue for shine with eye for say make the number them they know they go for up. Inside we quarter SSF thing they pass even as we corona this also continue for worry place. They do now we go land for day now some padiman he own been a place where fire SSF e cash weekend will just finish for enjoy them. Sabi self say the fire it be then a serious one. Army rescue people them for Colonel Michaela, Captain Afu Hansen, person for intervene, all them they be there for ground for try for see as well they go look at the fire where he catch for inside some man he been a place for that side so for they do. Lucky no one eye person he no be sleep share we hear say one person be necessary for inside this fire where he be die as well to re-enter we hear where at the fire overheat he make and the person say die but sabi army rescue people then say they be dey quick for say make the control make this fire he no continue for enter for different people them house. Now for they do with this fire SSF e cash inside this weekend we will just finish or enjoy am. Sabi say corona day but fire it is also continue for show you our face for Douala Seaport too fire to be cash for them as we go enter too for on top this palaver. Sabi say fire to be cash this weekend and now for place where they call them say Gabon poor now for the way fire be the cash for one of the house them for that side. No man it no be fit for tell we wait to cause fire but Sabi say before army rescue for Angodi they be one land for day where the fire it be already pass people them for a seaport. So army rescue from Angodi they go there too for go help for see as well they go control and look at that fire for say make no make plenty chakara for day. Just now as we talk no person in no sabi wait way it caused that fire for inside a seaport. That's why for Santa Barbara for Boya na kwata name be that Santa Barbara for Boya na moto Clando moto we go left person na e catch fire as we at Tori enter we here this moto be common for Douala so person will be there inside it be talk say me they go levy right for inside quarter for place where they call them say Santa Barbara but as so the moto decline na so to fire start for come out for day we lights e no fair day for town they no be even fit for come out anything apart from battery for moto where they be fit for come out so it dey so the man the driver for the moto say he turn up he see as we he own moto he burn all only for it before he no be fit for do no nothing as we moto say he catch fire for Santa Barbara. One of the people then say way he be day time where this fire he be catch he talk for we for that side so for Santa Barbara Boya.
Here the motor they come down at the start shout say fire dey under the motor fire dey under the motor the man no be here he can reach for here I wake up breaking I must store this for here I wake up break the man fire dey under the motor I come for here I take water for 2 jug water for 2 the water we move the man the fire extinguisher still and the water be already pass the one for fire extinguisher we carry sand for there we throw sand for there the fire no we try for tumble the motor I fit tumble am before try for end the fire we jig the motor the fire come under motor it flash our skin we stop and back. We try for open the motor for most of other part. So come for front there, I move battery. Whether it's na electric problem or move battery, no the motor no stand. Now no start. I will just call the Malcolm. So it's me live am. God know why make the motor catch fire because maybe tomorrow the motor they run Douala Boya. For maybe forget to ask them where you have for cause me nothing I got set for the motor me born because no know what if happen we use the motor tomorrow. Can do the run Boya Douala.
We run Boya Douala.
Yes, you come here for can do some passenger carry for Douala. The passenger stay inside here. Come here for can do the passenger. The passenger facing right for Douala route motor be to get break. They try for open it for that and the did and say it for that it top full tank for the motor. That's in that way the motor start get overflow. Yes. From back the full tank for the motor top and it start get overflow. That's why motor this for you now it start catch fire from back. engine with the fire. If engine be the for the chair, for move engine out of the move battery, for move engine, try for move am no succeed.
And the thing that will be passed for Santa Barbara for that side, so for Boya, na quarter name, we person in motor sesep go cash fire for inside quarter way come out and for Douala fine. And just for Sabitu, Tori, today na Monday, how people themselves for Kumba, they wake up today, make we take una go for Kumba. Amos, you don't jump one thing, we'll get for start for Kumba. But anyhow, make we take una go first for Bukwai, layout, new layout as we they call them. Na quarter for inside Boya, as we here. They say today na country Sunday for that side, so for inside Boya, but the youth them for that side for Bukwai after the plenty rain with Poto with the lever. Now young boy they say they don't come out for outside for see as well they go dig the gutter hole them and open roads so that make it rain no fall again. It cause confusion. Sabi say the young boy them they don't talk say country Sunday day them they no fit for shit down for house where they know they do no nothing so better they can walk we not by force no be na by force but na them say they want to so that if rain it fall again it no go worry people them and water rain too it go find its own roads where it fit for waka pass. Now for Bukwai new layout as well we hear for Boya make we hear some of these people then talk for we.
Almost 1 week. I don't always say man I can't join my body then. It just happened today. I don't can be with them. So I don't join them with the same spirit. For say something like this one, he always be happy. Where they like a family, always be good. For joining the group, for making say when thing like this one, all be together. They make the parent them. They know say this one. So when we join together for do this kind of work together, it make an way. We say to get this love. Because this kind of thing is not easy. So, you know, say for this life, when we be together is one. When the kind of thing happen, government is they need to show up. So they want to show some good example for government. May not say when next time this thing should don't happen, they say when they need to show up. We, the younger people, them, we try to make them make they know say. Let's maybe even encourage you as it don't happen. We don't try for join together to do this kind of work.
We do this every Monday. We get sporting activity because sports they bring people together. The more do sports, they'll end up now for do cleanups, and then we will share ideas, care with friends, and then we see how we help each other 1 or 2 ways because outside now not be too secure. So we actually keep security and for no ourselves. Now one of us senior, we like a landlord and an inhabitant for this quarter, we bring up the idea. Among we two get some landlords, but unfortunately today one of them they will be busy.
For inside Kumba Meme Division, today we na Monday place it be quiet even as we see Corona day for outside. Palava for country Sunday, it is also continue for happen for that side so for Kumba. Plenty of the place is quiet. Okada no di waka, moto sesep no di waka for town. All place is quiet. Now I mean say if you no be don't buy a chop on Sunday, we no be deep for you this morning time. But at City Council for that side so for Kumba, it be day open today. Now I mean say we here say all work people them inside the City Council for that side so for Kumba. All man, it be day for office today. As well the gates sesep for that place, it be day open. People them they be day for work. They di ton for do thing them. Sabi say before this place it ever lock for Monday then but today City Council it be day open for that side for Puma as we be talk for now this accident with a private motor and some gongoro way it carry 2 people them heads it go with them. Sabi say Tori we enter we ear they talk for we say now over speed it make this accident for happen. So Army Rescue they be get for come right for Douala here go for Puma for go cut that motor for come out the people there they be day inside that motor where they be don't die. According to Army Rescue people them they say na 2 they be sleep straight inside this accident way pass for Puma. Tori don't finish as so we see make we enter for newspaper them too waiting they get for talk for we start with the Star newspaper way they outside inside the Star newspaper they tell we Fonvi Imukete it don't left Nai Pikin Prince Ekoko for continue for lookout each year as we before people then say for Kumba, they glad with the Tory. Bishop then say they don't talk, they don't drag people them ear on top this palaver for Corona. Waiting the bishop them talk. If you read them for the Star newspaper, they tell we SDF them too, they don't put plenty complain them for palaver vote where he passed this last 2 weeks. Inside the same chapter, we enter for another newspaper. The Post where they outside, they ask them say now who want them make we Nkunkuma he die. Big question where the Post he ask them inside the same Post now with black they tell we they were working with Corona accessibility do say just now pressure it dey on top now for we country for say they make data them they open. We enter for the Sun where they tell we say this Corona too it is also continue for go for up as we put they get the sick. Waiting they happen for Bamenda Archdiocese. You feel read and two for the Sun newspaper and case for Samuel Wazizi Toriman where the Nak Pidgin news to for that side for Boya. The Sun he carry them all for his skin this afternoon. Just now we go enter for inside the municipal update or the Horizon where they outside too this morning time inside the municipal update for this morning time. They tell we Palava for Northwest and Southwest and Bazonia people them head boy the way they did for outside country. They don't talk say they no go shoot gun again. Now so today they tell we former Maurice Kamto Ikombi he say he go talk out in if Maurice Kamto is also continue for what he plays. You feel read other chapter them inside a municipal update for this morning time. The Horizon they tell we chapter for Northwest and Southwest they say separatist people then say they don't get big diplomatic win. Now which mean that way Horizon they talk you fit for read them inside the same thing. Minister Gregoire Owona says he don't talk back for people them palava why we he dey for a house since we the talk say his skin in not enough fine. SDF2 it is also wait on top this palava for vote where they make them. The Voice newspaper for today it talk for we as we Corona inside we country. Time for say make prisoner people their own too. It starts. They ask if na big bomb with they want put them for inside prison. Now so today they talk say men governor. He try for look out people there they from Gata from this sick way. He don't carry people them. Sabi say just now according to the Voice time where they be do their paper. Now 139 case them 6 people them and 4 people them where they don't well and 6 people there they don't die. As with the Voice it talk for we. Just now we go enter for inside the guidance post where they outside. Guidance post they tell we as we Akwanga and Sako they don't last talk say okay for Tiwe United Nations it talk say me they no shoot gun again for Northwest and Southwest for Tabe Tando they don't vote like number 2 big man inside Senate. You go read Tori Sesep where it concern National Rights Commission where then Sesep they want time make people they make the talk on top to it happen for inside Ngabu order to read them if it for read them for the guidance post where they outside. Eden newspaper too it come out this morning time. Eden newspaper he tell we say na big pom say Governor Togman he say Nkunkuma he never die and na so too inside the same chapter you go read other to read them where they don't talk say Nkunkuma he talk on top this palava for secret the worry way. City mayor too for inside Limbem he don't take in them for go for before. Logi John he tell we palava this medicine where they call am say chloroquine where it dey so just now it is set confusion whether na the tutu medicine for Corona or no be naim. Professor Maurice Kamto he give 7 days for we a big man for country for talk on top this palava for Corona as we Logijon newspaper too. He talk for we this afternoon. Country people them na the thing then that way newspaper them talk where we say we see them. We get case for people the way they don't lost. We go start with this speaking with the colleague. Tandy Cletus Fonyam. Now the Pekin name that. They tell we say this Pekin, he come on from Bengui as we they talk for we from Northwest. Yes, Bengui for Northwest. And he don't lost since on number 18 day inside number 1 moon for inside this very year will day for inside. This man he get 45 years and he hate he not fine as we the paper for we before he told him. But even as we had not fine he talk Queen Elisa country talk and he talk country talk to for meta people then. So just now Oga Tandy Victor fan he beg any person who don't see this brother number for before tele 677 491 335 661 937 944 694 978 538 or you feel bring it for Equinox Story House Plenty dash, educate you. This other case for person to don't loss, the name na Tachu Fabrice, even as we photo a white, una just struggle for look am. Tachu Fabrice, he then 25 years, as we the paper from her before, they talk, and they say this, he come up for house for number 29 day inside this moon, I missing on Sunday for around 5 o'clock, and no person, no man, he no sabi the side way he go. Fabrice, he talk, Queen Elisa, he country talk better, but na say he hate, he no turn up fine, as we paper they talk for we, and one time, as we hear, he one side hand, left hand, he know the waka fine, for sick as say, if he don't get some small sick for this. So time when we come up for house, they try for tell him, he wear na trousers, khaki trousers, and he be wear a normal slippers with a winner blue. So just now, Neko, Judith, Nanka, Amos, we turn back for there. I don't know why they run. Make you take this number for person. Any person you see this number, make you call 675-701-227 672-830-919 677-466-575, or you bring it for Equinox Tori House. Plenty dash, anyway you. Country people them, now they told them that will get them for this afternoon. Once a big thank you for on our day for that site. We go meet up tomorrow for the same time. On all I'm tight for outside.